Using a limit order in your trading can be a game changer in your trading journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a sell limit order to maximize your profits and minimize your losses. A sell limit order is an order you place to sell an instrument or a currency pair at a price higher than the current price. So here is an example. In this chart, I just observed that the price made a peak at this point and also could not make a higher high at this point. So at this point, we've got two highs that are equal, telling us that the bulls no longer have enough strength to push this price up, which signals that the bears are coming into the market. And to confirm that, we look at the RSI. We're seeing that the previous high is lower than the most current high that is formed here, which is telling us that while price is making equal highs, that the RSI is making a higher high. That is what we call divergence. So it's telling us that the price has been overbought, so that the peers are coming into the market in no distant time. But that does not mean that I should jump into the market right away. So that is where I employ the sell limit order. So I'm believing that this price will move up to somewhere here before it starts falling. So, but I may not be there to know when the price will move up to that point. And that is where the sell limit order will be of great importance to me. So all I need to do is to identify the area I think that the price will get back to before it starts going down. So let's say that the price is going to come up to this point at 161.36. If price is going to come up to that point, that is about 60 pips away. Now that I've determined that price may get up to that point before it starts going down, I will place my order at that point and put my stop loss just above it. So to place that order, having determined where I'm going to join the bears, so I will come to my order. Instead of market execution, I will select sell limit. Then I will choose the lot size that I want to place, 0.1. I've decided to join the market 60 pips above the current price. That's about 16136. So I've decided that my stop loss will be just above the most recent high, which is about 16197. Then my take profit at this point will be about 1600. So I place the order. Good. So let's go to the chart. Here is the chart. Now look at what has happened. If I had jumped into the market currently, my stop loss would have still been at the same point, and that would be about 115 pips above the current price, which is too much. With 0.1 lot size, that means I'll be risking about $115. Okay, so but for me to limit that very loss, I've just decided to wait for this price to come up to this point. I've taken off about 60 pips of risk. So in this case, I've limited my risk and I've increased my reward. In fact, this very point where I place this take profit is just the beginning, because the price will certainly head into somewhere down here. So by so doing, I am increasing my profit and reducing my risk. So sell limits is just a way to sell the currency pair in a better price, higher than where the price is currently, and then reduce your risk and increase your reward. So looking at this order will remain like this until it is triggered. So here, a few hours later, the trade has been triggered, and you can see that we've saved ourselves of that emotional trauma of holding a losing trade for a long time. So we've just saved 60 pips that would have been negative, and now we're just joining the trade with a very small amount of risk, and we are hoping to go down to the south. So let's see how it all plays out. So here is the position is still going on. Just as we analyzed, the price retraced a little picked up our order and it's coming down. We're pushing to the south. Already, we've not reached where we were when we analyzed this trade. However, we're already in profit. That is the benefit of using a limit order. You'll be able to get into profit on time, and you will also be able to limit the risk that you would have exposed your account to. So if I had entered this trade at the point of that analysis, when we saw the price just at this point, then by now we would have still been in negative. But right now, we're already in positive and we're moving. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.